about mutton snapper hunting.
Mutton snapper?
Yeah.
To that true, you know, mutton snapper we hunt down today, no, guys.
Yeah.
So Mr. Captain here, man, the man behind the wheel.
Yes, man.
I take you to the mutton snapper ground, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a good friend on the scene, see me?
Alright.
Jason, otherwise known as Monster Midget.
Big up.
Yeah. So yes, we're going to find a mutton snapper hunter.
Yeah, man, mutton snapper hunting.
Alright, yeah.
Famous mutton snapper ground.
Yeah, so we're on our way to the other side of the island.
Alright.
Let's piece of seafood, man. Let's go on to them, man.
Yeah, man. We're preparing ourselves for some mutton snapper.
Mutton snapper today.
Yeah.
Yeah. And see the man there.
Yes,
Monster Midget.
cheers to them.
Yeah, man. So we're setting up ourselves to catch a mutton snapper this evening, guys. Bait, net and ice box. Alright guys, off we go, fish on. Yeah man, we get a little chance that we can come in, so you know, the boss said that he knows, you know, he knows the channel.
Yeah.
So he's giving us a chance, so we have to make use of it. This is the dog leading the way, this is the boss. Yeah, so here we go now. Yeah man, so Captain Seafood man scaling the bait.
Scale up the
So we're using spread, herring spread.
Right. And tell you how you do it now, you cut it slant
So
like
we're going
this.
to cut it up and put it down to the, you know, set out. We want to get the first one, you know, so set out quick. Alright, so we're going to put it down now, boss man.
We're using 40 pound fluorocarbon.
Yeah, 40 pound fluorocarbon.
Eagle claw. Right? 40 pound fluorocarbon.
Carolina
2
rig.
ounce
Yeah.
Carolina rig. 2 ounce sinker. 20 pound trilene.
Alright, set it up and set out. Right,
When you pin him on, you go so. Pin him through, bring it back through.
Yeah,
You sew in the bait.
yeah.
Right? And then you bring it back through near to the head. Put it through. And then you put it, make it lay down against the body. So you lay down against the body now, you can't see it.
So this man using what now? Knocker rig.
Yeah, I'm using the knocker rig. This is a 40 pound setup
Yeah.
with a J hook, 3-aught J hook attached with a hook. With a 2 ounce sinker and a bead. And we are for it.
Alright,
So this is how we hook it up. So the hook is hidden, just like that.
Alright, good. So Jason, what are you doing?
And now I'm cutting up the bait to make some chum.
Yeah.
So we're using the chapung fries. These are old chapung fries. So we're going to cut them up, mash them out to make the chum, and then we're going to chum the water, calling the snapper to increase the rate of catch.
Alright, boss. Sure, that sounds good. I wanted to increase the rate of catching like that. Cut up enough of that bass.
Yeah, so we have about 2.5 parts. So
Oh,
all of
right,
this
right.
will be made into chop.
Alright, good. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Captain, you set up a next rod?
Yeah, next one.
Alright, good.
We have 4 outside there. We get lucky enough to that's right.
Fish on.
Live bait.
I like that, brother.
Live bait.
Alright.
Most get something big with him. That's one thing we know crab not in trouble. So we know say anything pick you up is most a fish.
Crab night crab.
Crab not eat crab.
Captain, a fight something, you know. What up, Captain?
Yeah, but what that? Oh, still up on the water, sir.
Eel. Alright.
No, I'm gonna feel a eel. Oh, you feel him?
Stupid eel.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, a eel.
A eel,
No, or a
correct.
stingray. A fish that, brother.
So what's up?
So what's up, eh?
So what's up?
So what's up? So what's up? Who that?
The man catch Mrs. Puff.
SpongeBob, come for your teacher.